Hi, I am Rakesh. Today I will discuss something that no YouTuber discussed so far, but it is necessary. It is, I will discuss the topic on KVS Tier-1 exam. In that exam, I would like to question the fairness of the exam. In that exam, you might be thinking that all students had the same question and it is fair, but that is not the case. In that exam, each questions were of 3 marks, and if you make a wrong answer, then you get -1. So one wrong answer can give you -4 marks. There were 100 questions, and maximum marks was 300. The thing is, out of those 100 questions, 90 questions were same for all candidates, but part 6, where there was a language portion, that was picked by the student. So part 6 was not same for all. Some choose Hindi, some choose Bengali, some choose Assamese, some choose Tamil, and so on. There were 13 languages. And the thing is, the level of the question was not same for all. I picked Bengali and I find that that question was extremely difficult. And in fact, I have seen many of my friends, they could not score enough there. That portion could give you 30 marks. So your fate could have been changed. Some language sections were very tough. So some students did not got enough mark from that portion. And because of that, I have seen many students who have extremely good subject knowledge was not qualified because of the question pattern and especially of that section. So let me show you this, okay? So this is the KV Tier-1 paper, okay? This is part 6. This is part 5. It's in English. It was same for everyone. But what about part 6? Part 6 was Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, and like this there were 13 languages. In fact, RTI, CBSE on this, I asked them for the average mark of the part 6 for each subject, but CBSE did not give me the result. They said that this kind of evaluation was not done. So as you can see, I think there was very unfair situation. Some subject portion was easy, some was very tough. From somewhere, I think especially Hindi was quite easy. You could get at least 15 from there. But other subjects, they were very tough. Someone not even scored 5 from that portion. In fact, I scored only 6 from that portion. Though I was qualified for Tier 2 somehow because my math and other things, my reasoning is strong. From that I covered the thing and I got qualified for Tier 2. And I applied for PGT physics post and I have put my score there in the other video. So that is the thing. I think everyone should analyze this thing, that CBSE behaves like that they are fair, but there are tiny details that are missing, that we are missing. The same thing happened with class 11, 12 students, class 12 CBSE board student. You have seen that what is going on. So CBSE should be more fair. And one more thing, in Tier 2 exam, I did not see the teachers in the school to open the booklet in front of us, which is the rule. In every exam, they call to students to sign and then they tear open the booklet that contain the questions paper. But in my school that was not happened, and even I protested for this. The CBSE head that was in the school, he did not talk to me regarding that matter. That is it. I think this is a topic of concern and everyone should know, so that in future uh, it is fair. That is my demand. Tata.